Frequently washing our hands can be very drying on the skin. Our hands are the first area to display aging. By exfoliating your hands 2 to 3 times a week will increase the production of collagen and delay the appearance of wrinkles. Here is a very easy scrub that you can make at home. You will need half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of olive oil, 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix all together. At Kapama, we use the sugar and oil scrub from Babor, followed by the repair hand cream. Massage the scrub gently onto your hands for 2 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Today I will share our blueberry and chai seed smoothie recipe. This smoothie has antioxidant properties to protect us from aging. You will need 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 bananas, 2 teaspoons of chai seeds.